Autel IM508 2022 Kia/Hyundai system locked. Full key programming fix explained. Hey everyone, this is Hussein, and welcome back to Bobji Motors, your ultimate hub for everything automobile diagnostics, key programming, and tech wizardry. Today, we're tackling a tricky situation that many Hyundai and Kia technicians run into: the dreaded system-locked error when programming a 2022 Kia or Hyundai push-to-start vehicle using the Autel IM508. Before we dive in, a quick disclaimer. This video is strictly for educational purposes. We are showing this to help technicians, learners, and enthusiasts understand the process safely. All images, clips, and references are for review only, and all trademarks belong to their respective owners. Always follow manufacturer guidelines and local laws when working on vehicles. Now here's a question for you. Have you ever tried programming a key, only to see the system lock up and leave you frustrated? Stick with me till the end, because I'll show you the complete solution and a few tips that can save you from wasting time or even damaging the system. Alright, let's get into the scenario. Imagine this. You're working on a 2022 Kia Forte push-to-start, all keys are lost, and you fire up your Autel IM508S. You start the process to program a new key, but suddenly you get an error. The device says the smart key is in anti-scan mode and the immobilizer system is locked. For anyone facing this, it can feel like hitting a brick wall. But don't worry, there's a reliable method to unlock the system safely. The trick is surprisingly simple, but requires patience. First, you need to leave both the hazard lights and the ignition turned on for a full hour. Yes, an hour may feel long, but it allows the vehicle's immobilizer system to reset and exit the anti-scan or lock state. If you're not able to do it immediately, the next day works just as well. The system will stay on, and by giving it this time, you're essentially letting the ECU and immobilizer calm down and prepare for key programming. Now, here's an important tip that many technicians overlook. When you attempt to pull the security code, it might fail, and it may even fail twice. Do not attempt it a third time if it's still not working. Repeated attempts can lock the system even further. At this point, the safest method is to purchase the code from a legitimate source instead of risking permanent system lock. Even when the IM508 fails to read the code, it provides a warning. It tells you that repeated attempts will lock the system further. This is crucial to remember. Rushing or ignoring this warning can turn a simple key programming task into a much bigger headache. To summarize the step-by-step solution: turn on the hazard lights and ignition. Leave the system on for 1 hour, or do it the next day if convenient. Attempt to pull the code once or twice. Do not attempt a third failed read. Instead, buy the code if necessary. Proceed to program the new key once the system is unlocked. Following these steps carefully ensures you can program keys for 2022 Kia or Hyundai vehicles safely without permanently locking the system. So, to answer the question I asked at the start, the system locks because the immobilizer enters anti-scan mode to protect against unauthorized access, and patience is your key to unlocking it safely. In my personal opinion, giving the vehicle the proper time to reset is not only the safest approach, but also prevents costly mistakes. Now I want to hear from you. Have you faced a system lock on a Hyundai or Kia before? What methods did you try, and did they work? Drop your experiences or questions in the comments. Let's get a discussion going. Here's a fun fact. The anti-scan or anti-theft features in modern vehicles are designed to detect even minimal unauthorized access attempts, which is why these 1-hour waits work. It essentially tricks the system into thinking everything is normal. And now, here's my challenge for all of you. Let's hit 10,000 likes and 1,000 comments on this video. Hyping this video, subscribing, and sharing your thoughts helps the channel grow and allows us to keep bringing you in-depth, real-world car tech solutions. Once again, thanks for sticking with me till the end. Keep learning, keep exploring, and happy diagnosing.